name is Eric Klein with Analog Devices, and welcome to our demonstration of the A²B audio communication bus. In addition to audio, data, and power over a single unshielded twisted pair cable, A²B also provides GPIO communication over distance. Overhead console requirements have increased drastically in recent years. With emergency and information services available at the touch of a button, the demands for an interactive overhead console are higher than ever. This evaluation board is being used as an overhead console to engage the emergency call function of the system, where the main cabin audio is muted and the local microphone signals and Class D amplifier allow for direct communication to emergency services. GPIO over distance enables this functionality without any additional hardware. Please check out the other videos on analog.com/A²B for more details and features.